Hello everyone, this is Rahul. So if you want to generate an image like this supporting your favorite IPL team, then I will show you in my mobile screen how to generate it just by doing a one click. You need to go to Google Gemini and upload your pictures, and after that you need to paste a prompt. So this is a RCB prompt. When you will paste this prompt, you will see the image is generated. In same way, yeah, one more thing, here you can see you can keep the name here. For example, here you can see I have kept the Rahul. Same way, this is the second one is Punjab Kings. So you can see below the Punjab Kings image is generated, and you can see in the back side my name is there, Rahul. So you need to keep it in the prompt. Here you can see I have kept, so you can make the changes in this prompt. So in this way you can create it for any team. So this is for CSK. You can see this is a prompt. So I will tell you how to get the prompt. So first of all, I am showing you this is for Kolkata Knight Riders. The prompt is for Kolkata Knight Riders. Here you can see the image is generated. So this one is for Sunrisers Hyderabad. You can see the image is generated. And the next one is, this is another Royal RCB. This is a second prompt. The one was in the above, and this is a second. Whichever you like, you can use the prompt. This is for Mumbai Indians. This is for Chennai Super King. So in this way you can generate any image, for any IPL team, and you can put it in your WhatsApp or wherever you want. So how to get a prompt, I will show you. So for this, go to my Instagram profile, and in this post just comment your team name, and you will get the prompt in your inbox within 1 hour, maximum in 1 hour. So I hope you will find this video useful. Thank you.